Welcome to another how-to video. Our topic for today is all about how you use the Google Authenticator app for Roblox this 2024. As you can see, we are in the Roblox app, so all you have to do is click More, which is located at the bottom right of your screen. While you are in a tab, scroll down until you find a setting. After you find the settings, click them. While you are in the Settings tab, click Security. After clicking the Security tab, enable the Authenticator app. When you do it, the one-time code verification will appear. So all you have to do is open your Gmail account to copy the one-time verification app and type it into Roblox. After that, the manual key will appear, which will lead us to the Authenticator app by opening Authenticator. While we are in an Authenticator app, it's up to you if you want to use it to scan the code or to paste the manual key by clicking the Add button. Since I copied the manual key, I choose to enter a setup key. Just put the account name, like mine is Roblox, and just paste the manual key. Click Add. The 6-digit code will appear. As you can see, there's a timer on the right side of the code where you have to type the 6-digit code before it expires. So go back to the Roblox app and type the 6-digit code. After that, click Verify, and that's it. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.